How to enable the 5G Wi-Fi on your router for faster internet. Hey guys, and welcome back. If you play online games on your smartphone or the internet connection but it's freezing all the time, here's a way to enable the 5G. To get started with, access your router settings. For this, find the router's IP, which is on the user manual or on the router itself. This will now open a page like this. Here, you have to now give in your credentials, which is often found on router or provided by the ISP. If you cannot log in, you can directly call the call center of your ISP and get it done. Now that this is done, or you are logged in, navigate to the network section. Select 5G or wireless 5G and enable it. Set the SSID, which is the network name, and the password, and then you can save the settings. After that, you can see for your new 5G network on your device and connect to it easily. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.